again, welcome to my channel. Now in this video I want to talk about the cex.io exchange play to earn airdrop. Now cex.io is an already existing exchange, just like Binance, just like Bybit, just like KuCoin and OKX and all the likes, but they are one of the top 100 exchanges in the world. You can check on coin market cap, you can check on CoinGecko, you will find it there. They are top 100. Now they want to bring more users into their platform, and they're using the route of Telegram. Now the airdrop for this project is coming up on the quarter 4. That means from now to December this project will launch and list on top exchanges. Look at this airdrop section, you see the roadmap there. Let me show you. Now if you click on it, you see this, the tap game is changing. How well do you in this next season depends on how active you are now, so keep playing to do better. Now let's see the roadmap. If you click on see roadmap, you would see quarter 2 was used to build community, which has been completed. Quarter 3 was used to empower the community, ambassadors program and all that, we just concluded. Now between quarter 2 and quarter 3, the integrating real economy, this is already in the works. Then finally in quarter 4, airdrop and preparation for listing. As you can see boldly here, airdrop and listing quarter 4. Now this project is from Europe, so you can really vouch for it that's going to do pretty well. Now I've already been on this project for 2 to 3 months now. As you can see, what will be used to give you your airdrop is your CSP points here. So as you can see, I have 1,104,000, something like that. Now how does this game work? Now besides that CSP, another thing you must consider is your level here. I mean on level 6, I'm a platinum miner at the moment. Now if you click on this, you will see different levels. There is platinum, there is stone miner, there is copper miner, iron miner, silver miner and all that, and the highest is Platinum miner. That is when you have 1 billion points. That level is important too. Now how do you get all this working? This, now let me run you through this. Now if you click on as you can see, we are under this icon works here right now. On work, we're on work, this icon here, we're under work now. So here is just normal tap, it's just a tap. That's in the normal tap that we know. Of course, as you can see, I'm +1, but I can increase my tap result by boosting it here. If I come here, and click on boost, I can increase my tap rate. See, I can increase my tap level, boost it by 8. So now I'm in tap level 3. I can boost it again. So what does that mean? If I come back now, every time I tap, it will be 3, as you can see. So that is how you can boost that. Now this is how to get more points faster. So as you can see, I can boost that. So I also, under the boost, I can increase my energy level, boost it. I can increase my energy level. Now what does sorry, energy limits, what does that mean? See, before if you observe here, it was just 1,000, but I boosted it to 2,000, so I'll get more points. So these are things you can do. So the next icon there is mine. You see, in my videos I try to show you everything so that you will know how to go about it. Now under this mining is how just the idea is how crypto is being mined. Now this is how it works. Your mining per hour will increase as you buy some of all these items. Now if you look at under power section here, there, if you click on it, you will observe something. If I buy a UPS, for example, if I buy UPS with 4,260, let me click on it so that you see what I'm talking about. If I buy UPS with 4,260, I will get a a CESP of 900, and I will get a mining hour of 0.0015 per hour we added to my mining speed. So the more I upgrade these things, the more I get mining speed and more CSP. And I remember I told you the CESP is the main thing, and the level. So that is what you do. You can upgrade any of this to get more of those. Now, to increase your level here, to increase your level, on sorry, let's go back to work here. To increase this your level, it is important that you get sorry, to increase your level is better you get this level here, levels from level 6 to increase your crypto balance. Now when you increase your crypto balance here, please just follow me. If you increase your crypto balance here, the next thing you do is to convert it. Now let's talk. Now I'm going back to the convert feature now. I'm going to over to the convert feature here convert. Now by clicking on convert, it will multiply this your crypto balance by the value of Bitcoin at the moment. Now Bitcoin current value of Bitcoin is $58,040. If I click on this now, let me click on let me convert. Let me put my balance 184. I want to convert it now for now. This is 10 billion 10,607,000. This will take me to the next level. Remember, I'm on level 6 right now. If I convert this right now, you will see my level will go to level 7. Let me do it so that you will see it. So I confirm. Done. See? Can you see that? Can you see? I've gotten to level 7 because it takes 10 million of these coins to get to level 7. So now what will be your priority? Your priority, see, I'm on level 7 now. Your priority should be to increase your mining per hour. Your priority should be increasing your mining per hour, which will directly increase your crypto balance. Then you can come to convert session and convert it. Do you get this, guys? So that the more you do that, the more you increase your overall. Now this will help you increase your overall power here, and it will increase your level. So guys, this is how this thing works. Like I always advise, whenever you come to a new project, go to the tax section and do the tax. Go to the tax section and do the tax. See, I have tax I've not done. I'm going to do it right now. So I have tax I've not done. I have to do all those ones now. I'll get more points. And also, like I always say, invite friends. Share this. Invite friends. Invite people. And share your links for people to join. The more the merrier. So guys, as you can see, one of my referrals is having more points than me. So see, it's having more points than me. There's nothing to it. Let's just get this money together. It's available for all. So bye for now. See you in the next video. Implement what you just learned. If you have not subscribed my channel, do that right now. If you have not, click on the notification button too, so that you get latest videos I send. Bye for now. See you in the next video.